Hey folks, it's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures, and in today's video you can find me here in the very lush green Lincolnshire Wolds. It's 8:45. I'm heading towards Louth to join the Louth Cycling Group for a bit of a group ride around, well, it's described as a hilly one, so it's going to be around the Wolds. Heading down to JJ's Cafe at Hagworthingham. Soon entering road riding season. Got plenty coming up over the next 3 months. My first Audax event next weekend, and then another one the following weekend. Next weekend I'm doing a 100k event called the Bowls Over Jester, extending that to 200, and then the following weekend it's the start of Audax Club Lincolnshire's first event of 2023, which is the Bomber County. I sign up for that each and every year, and this year is no different. Ooh, snow. The original plan this morning was to ride 3 hours and then meet up in Louth. However, after last weekend's ride, I neglected my shoes during the week, so I had to wash those. Then I kept looking out the window, deciding, you know, I've been really lethargic this week. Been feeling quite tired after last weekend's double centuries, and bit unhealthy eating going on, so just feeling a little bit lethargic. It's that time of year. However, spring is just around the corner. There you go, I've just thrown that cliche in. That corner is rather long this year. Right, anyway, back to this ride, heading towards Forsway. I was going to be turning right, heading towards Rothwell. But now I've only got enough time to squeeze a 2-hour ride in after missing it out all that time. So I'm cutting Rothwell out, cutting that gravel track out, and I'm taking a left at the crossroads. Take a left at the crossroads towards Bimbrook, and yeah, cut a bit of the route out, maybe half an hour or something. Might have to cut out some more though, somewhere along the line. Let's see how it goes. I've already found the snow line, and it's beyond where I'm riding. When I talk about the snow line, I'm not talking about elevation, because I'm fairly high up already. I'm merely talking about the effect of being close to the North Sea, that coastal warming effect. And this cold period just now, it's been marginal, hasn't it, really? You know, some places just the right side of snowfall, while others just had rain all day long for hours on end. Wait all winter for snow and that's it. know, I'm glad I'm mostly on the road today, because this is hard going. Beautiful morning. How clean the bike was before I came across this one field. I tell you what, great thing about this time of year, any excuse to bring out the thermal flask and have a bit of coffee. Being careful not to drink any mud. Heading up again. I think this is the kind of the whitest I've seen it this morning, and that's not saying a lot, is it? Look at this, arms are out. Sweaty Betty. Bit of a mild blip. It's going to be mild tomorrow, about 10 or 11 degrees. Get the shorts on. Say goodbye to these crappy low bibs that I should have thrown away this time last year. I think this will be the last couple of weeks riding these, because I look a disgrace. Just tell everybody it's mud, yeah. Get away with it. Anyway, the Bluestone Heath Road, about 500 metres, you can turn left all the way down through Horlington into Louth, hopefully to make it in the nick of time. We shall find out. If not, I don't have the route, but I've got a pretty good idea of the roads that we're taking south towards JJ's right at the beginning, so no problem if I don't quite make it on time, but I'm sure I will. Right, head down, enjoy the descent. So finally met up with the Louth Cycle Club lot. Just pulled in for a couple of minutes. I see the weather's turned out brilliant. Blue skies. I do feel now that these lobster gloves are a little bit of overkill. I mean, this morning I was like, I haven't seen anything all winter. I'll bring them out, use them, and feel the benefit. Now it's 6-7 degrees, completely useless. Well, we've made it to Hagworthingham, and unfortunately there won't be much of a video today because the battery on the GoPro's died. But just check out this. Right, I'll tell you what it is, and you can guess the price afterwards. 2 eggs, 2 bacon, 2 sausage, beans and tomatoes, 1 slice of bread and butter, toast or fried bread. Guess how much it is? £5.95. Absolute bargain.